Good luck. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is what we're starting the night off with. We're probably gonna run about, I don't know, about 100 miles. Back at it again with Mr. Chris Wynn.
Yes, sir.
Yep, on the 19 Cobia.
This is our best for the day, guys.
115 Yamaha.
Hey, let's see how far we can make it.
How
We'll
far
show
you-
you the GPS later, boys.
What is up, guys? It's Exceptional Adventures and Slate Team 6 out here.
We're doing a little collab.
Yep, yes sir. We're out here. You know, you can't see shore. Our baits are hitting the bottom and getting roasted right now. Every bait that we drop is eaten. Right off bat. Something like that. Oh! That was a donkey. Dude, that thing's huge. Chris, the thing is huge. Chris, that thing is huge. Guys, we'll give you a short recap of how the day has gone. We have done excellent. We started out from the bait. It's almost noon and we still have greenbacks and baits in there. So that's one aspect. And about 4 minutes ago, Chris just reeled in about a 30-pound tuna.
And we got
our limit on ARs. We have our limit on red grouper. We're almost there on lane snapper and mangrove snapper between all that. But Chris, I mean, how you feeling?
Hey, Chris. Appreciate it.
Yeah, dude, crazy.
Do it.
This man got
Gotta
a
get out
tuna.
before that cold front come in.
Yep.
Look what happened, baby.
That's it.
Dude, she paid off.
I don't want to tell you exactly how far we are because, you know, that's fisherman code. But we're somewhere between 40 and, you know, 45 miles. And then give you a little recap. But it's beautiful out here and we're catching fish. That's all there is to it. Exceptional adventures in Slate Team 6. We're out here killing shit.